Most people don't even think of walking as real exercise, when in reality, it's one of the easiest exercises that can completely transform how your body looks and feels. Most people think walking is too simple to make a real difference, but I'm going to show you what really happens to your body when you start doing it consistently. The first thing that changes, your heart gets stronger. This might seem obvious, but you'll want to hear why this matters more than you think. Walking isn't just cardio, it's medicine for your cardiovascular system. Every step sends blood pumping through your body more efficiently. Your resting heart rate drops, your blood pressure improves. Even a simple 20-minute walk can boost circulation for hours afterward. Studies show that people who walk daily have significantly better heart health and live longer. But here's what most people miss. It's not just about preventing heart disease. Better circulation means every cell in your body gets more oxygen and nutrients. That translates to more energy, clearer thinking, and faster recovery from everything life throws at you. Walking lights up your entire cardiovascular system without beating you up. You don't need to run marathons or spin until you're dizzy. Just consistent, purposeful steps. Your heart adapts, gets stronger, and suddenly stairs don't leave you winded anymore. But have you noticed how many people walk around looking older than their years? Stiff joints, shuffling steps, that careful way they move like their body might break? That's not just aging, that's what happens when joints stop moving through their full range of motion. Daily walks reverse that. Every step takes your ankles, knees, hips, and spine through natural movement patterns. Your joints need motion to stay healthy. Walking provides gentle, repetitive movement that keeps cartilage nourished and prevents that morning stiffness from taking over your life. This is especially important as we age. Your joints produce synovial fluid when they move. That's the oil that keeps everything running smooth. Sit all day, and that fluid gets thick and sluggish. Walk regularly, and your joints stay lubricated and pain-free. After a few weeks of consistent walking, you'll notice you move easier in the morning. Getting out of bed doesn't require a warm-up period. Bending over to pick something up feels natural again. Your body remembers how to move like it's supposed to. And once your joints start moving better, something else clicks into place. Your muscles start working the way they were designed to. Walking engages almost every muscle in your body, but in a balanced, natural way that builds real-world strength. Your glutes fire with every step, supporting your lower back and stabilizing your pelvis. Your core muscles work constantly to keep you upright and balanced. Your calves pump blood back to your heart. Even your arms and shoulders get involved as you naturally swing and counterbalance. This isn't gym strength, this is functional movement that makes everything else in life easier. Carrying groceries, playing with grandkids, hiking, dancing. All of it gets better when your body remembers how to coordinate and work as one unit. Walking builds the kind of strength that prevents falls, reduces injury risk, and keeps you independent. It's strength training disguised as a pleasant stroll. Now, before we get to the mental benefits that everyone will love, I want to mention something important. Daily walks are powerful, but they work even better when they're part of a complete approach to feeling younger and moving better. If you're over 40 and dealing with daily aches and stiffness, I created a comprehensive guide called Reboot Your Body that gives you everything you need to move better and hurt less. You can find the link in the description below. It's the missing piece that takes your results to the next level. But let's talk about what walking does for your brain. This might be the most underrated benefit of all. Walking doesn't just change your body, it completely rewires your mind. Every step sends fresh blood to your brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that improve focus, memory, and mood. Walking triggers the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of it as fertilizer for your brain cells. This protein helps existing neurons stay healthy and encourages new ones to grow. Studies show that people who walk regularly have larger hippocampus regions. That's the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. Walking literally grows your brain and protects against cognitive decline as you age. But the mental benefits happen immediately too. A single walk can shift your entire mindset. Stress hormones like cortisol drop, feel-good chemicals like endorphins and serotonin increase. That mental fog lifts, and suddenly problems that seemed overwhelming feel manageable again. Walking gives your mind space to process, reset, and gain perspective. It's moving meditation that doesn't require any special skills or equipment. And here's something most people never realize: walking completely changes your metabolism and helps you maintain a healthy weight without the torture of extreme dieting. Walking might seem too easy to burn fat, but your body doesn't care about perceived effort, it cares about consistency. Regular walking trains your body to use fat as fuel more efficiently. It improves insulin sensitivity, which means your body handles blood sugar better and stores less fat. The metabolic effects last long after your walk ends. Your body keeps burning calories at an elevated rate for hours. Walking also helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss, which keeps your metabolism high. But here's the real magic. Walking reduces cravings and helps regulate appetite hormones. After a good walk, you naturally want healthier foods and feel satisfied with smaller portions. It's not willpower, it's biology, working in your favor. Walking is sustainable fat loss that doesn't leave you hungry, exhausted, or obsessing over food. It's a lifestyle change that actually feels good. In just a minute, I'm going to share the 3 biggest mistakes people make with their walking routine that sabotage their results. But first, let me tell you about the benefit that might surprise you the most. Walking dramatically improves your balance and coordination. Every step challenges your proprioception. That's your body's ability to sense where it is in space. Your brain has to constantly adjust and adapt to keep you upright and moving forward. This trains your nervous system to be more responsive and aware. Your reaction time improves. Your balance gets more stable. Your coordination becomes more fluid and natural. As we age, balance becomes crucial for preventing falls and maintaining independence. Walking is one of the best ways to keep those systems sharp and responsive. It's insurance for your future mobility. Walking also strengthens all the small stabilizer muscles in your feet, ankles, and legs that keep you steady on uneven surfaces. These muscles get weak when we spend all our time on flat, stable floors. Walking on different terrains wakes them up and keeps them strong. And here's my favorite benefit from walking. It builds genuine confidence and mental toughness. There's something powerful about setting a goal, stepping out the door, and following through. Even on days when you don't feel like it. Walking teaches you that you can keep going when things get uncomfortable, that you can push through resistance and come out stronger on the other side. Every walk is proof that you can do hard things. This mental resilience carries over into every area of your life. Work challenges feel more manageable. Relationship stress doesn't overwhelm you as easily. You develop quiet confidence that comes from knowing you can handle whatever comes your way. Walking builds the muscle between your ears just as much as the muscles in your legs. Now let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes that can limit your results from walking. These are easy to fix once you know what to look for. First, walking the exact same route at the exact same pace every day. Your body adapts quickly, and then progress stalls. Mix things up, change your route, add some hills, vary your pace, challenge your body in new ways to keep improving. The second mistake is focusing only on speed or distance while ignoring posture and form. Walking with your head forward, shoulders rounded, and shuffling steps defeats half the purpose. Stand tall, engage your core, and take purposeful strides. Good form multiplies the benefits. And third, treating walking like a punishment instead of a privilege. If you're miserable the whole time, you won't stick with it. Find routes you enjoy. Listen to music or podcasts. Walk with friends. Make it something you look forward to, not something you have to endure. Walking should feel good in your body and your mind. When you get this right, consistency becomes automatic. So how do you start? If you're new to regular walking, begin with 15 to 20 minutes every other day. Pick a time that works with your schedule and stick to it. Consistency matters more than intensity at first. Once walking feels natural, gradually increase to 30 minutes most days of the week. This is where the real magic happens. Your body adapts, your energy increases, and walking becomes part of who you are. Add variety as you progress. Walk hills for strength. Try different terrains for balance. Include some faster intervals for cardiovascular benefits. But always come back to your base pace that you can maintain comfortably. The goal isn't to walk faster or farther than anyone else. It's to move your body consistently in a way that makes you feel alive and capable. Walking is a practice, not a performance. Remember, your body is designed to move. Every step you take is an investment in how you'll feel tomorrow, next month, and next year. Daily walks don't just change your body, they change your entire relationship with movement and health. Start today. Your future self will thank you for every step.